Hello guys, welcome back to Jainsons Adventure Gears, and today we'll be installing the huge Himalayan Basecamp 4.1. So this is the Himalayan Basecamp 4.1. It's a huge tent. I will be showing you the interiors as well as all the specifications as well. This is the huge tent which we have installed. This tent comes along with doors, windows, and it's a family tent. It's a proper family tent, and you can see the tent is fixed with the pegs and the ropes. So this is the door. We'll be going inside and we'll be showing you the interior of the tent. This is the outer. This is the one. This is one part of the tent. Here you can sit and you can put your dining table and everything. It's a huge tent. You can see even a 6 feet man can easily stall it. Easily stand inside it. And we'll be going to the other part of the tent. There's a door. This is kind of bedroom kind of thing. This is also very huge, easily 4 to 5 people can accommodate, can sleep inside it. And there's this ventilation given over here. There are pockets at the side. This is the window. If you want, you can open the window as well to see what's happening outside. See, it's fixed over here, and this is the window, and you can again fix it over here. So this is a beautiful tent. There are doors. There are two sides given. There's a zip over here. There's one zip over here, and the poles are extremely heavy. These are fiber poles, but the quality, the strength, and the thickness of the poles is too much. We'll be giving you an overview of the tent from all the sides, so you'll get a better idea of how the tent is. So the most important thing about this tent is that you need to have space and you should have time to install this tent. If you are planning to keep this tent at or planning to keep your camp at a single place, then it's a great tent. But if you are frequently moving your tents and the camps, then it's not advisable. Then the small tents are good. These are the specifications of the tent. You can see the weight of the tent is around 9.2 kgs. So if you are traveling through some vehicle or you're having a car, then this tent is superb, and easily 4 to 5 people can sleep inside this very luxuriously, very comfortably. And the height of the tent is also pretty good. The fabric used in the tent, the inner is polyester fabric which is completely breathable. Outer is nylon PU coated 210 threads, and it's waterproof as well, so you can use this in all the conditions. So coming to the installation of the tent, in this tent there are two kinds of poles. One is the red one. See, I show you. So these are the red poles, this one and this one. So these two, just keep in mind that this is the door of the tent, and red poles have to be attached next to the door, 1 and 2. And this is a black pole. This is to be fixed at the end corner of the tent where there is a slope. So the black pole has to be fixed over here. First fix the black pole, then the red one, then the third red one. Then just make the tent stand. So you'll see there are straps inside the tent. Those will be beneath the tent. And after once it is done, just keep on putting the pegs from all the sides, like this, and the ropes, so the tent will have the stability. After that, you can fix the inner lining. So the inner lining is having the hooks. So once the tent outer fabric is installed, then you have to bring this inner fabric, and you can just simply uh, keep the inner fabric inside, and you can there are hooks given over here. You can see it's a very simple mechanism. Just keep the hooks over here, and there are slots given, there are rings given. Just keep on fixing one after the other. See, once this is done, the entire tent is installed, and there is no need to worry. Now it's perfect. There's a door given over here. So this is a kind of bedroom inside, and this is the dining table outside, dining area. So we have showed all the specifications of the tent, the design, the fabric, everything, like how to install the tent. If you guys have any queries, any doubts regarding this tent, you can simply get in touch with us. You're having our WhatsApp number as well. Also, you can reach out through email also. So also you can visit our store. This tent is readily available at a Thane outlet. So thank you guys for watching this video. Have a great day. Cheers. So we have installed both the tents. This is the 2XL. You can see Hurricane 2XL, and that is the Hurricane 3XL. Both the tents are kept side by side. You can see uh, there is a size difference in the width and the length as well. Both the tents are excellent. This is the vent given, and we'll show you the overview 360 view from all the sides. So If you are looking to accommodate 3 people comfortably, then 3XL is the one. If you're looking for 2 people, then 2XL is the one. And this is the base camp. This is a huge tent. This is meant for families. This is meant for outdoor camping if you're traveling through cars, because this is quite a heavy tent. The 2XL is around 3.7 kgs, whereas the 3XL is around 4.7 kgs, and this is the Basecamp 4.1. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any queries, any doubts, you can simply reach out to us. Our number and everything details is given in the description. Our store is in Thane. You can visit our Thane outlet as well. Thank you guys for watching this video. Have a great day. Cheers.